In this video, you will learn the meanings of step up, step down, and step by step in English. Step up means to increase effort or take responsibility when needed. Let's use step up in sentences. He stepped up to help his team. We need to step up our work. Step down means to leave an important job or position voluntarily. Let's use step down in sentences. The manager decided to step down last week. She stepped down from her position yesterday. Step by step means gradually or one stage at a time in a careful order. For example, we solved the problem step by step. She learned English step by step. Viewers, subscribe to this channel to learn more English words with meanings. Thanks for watching this video.